we are unboxing something from mechanicalkeyboards.com. I'm gonna let you guys take a minute or two, take a guess in the comment section. What do you think I got in here? Back in August, very end of August, I went ahead and purchased this for myself, and I wanted to make a video on this, and I hope you guys stick around and enjoy this video. I think it's gonna be something you really might be interested in. Alright, so towards the end of August, I went ahead and purchased something from Mechanical Keyboards. I went ahead and purchased this Ducky One Mini Pure White RGB 60% PBT mechanical keyboard. It is now September 2nd, and I purchased this keyboard actually around the 28th of August. It was pre-ordered. I don't know when I'm going to get it, but let's go ahead and jump into this and talk about what I got for switches and what bonuses I picked out and just everything. So it's, like I said, September 3rd now, and I went ahead and went with the Cherry MX Red switches. I think that's going to be the one thing. I heard it was like the #1 switch to get when gaming, so this is the one I got. And looks like, according to this now, this was in here when I pre-ordered mine. The restock date is going to be September 19th, 2020. So I should have this keyboard either sometime during the end of September or really sometime in the very beginning of October, if not like late October, because I think it ships from China. I could be wrong. I'm not 100% sure. So this is going to be interesting to see when I get my keyboard. For free bonuses, I said, oh, that's not even on here anymore. Okay, so they have purple creator sticker, the MK sticker, and the white creator sticker. Well, I didn't pick a sticker. I went with the free 3 keycaps. So I got 3 random keycaps I chose. But this keyboard looks so lovely just in the photos and everything. So I am looking forward to getting this keyboard. So the next segment of this will be much down the road for you guys. You guys will just get to see when it comes in. We'll do another segment clip as soon as I get the keyboard and everything. So for you guys, it's just gonna be like that. For me, it's gonna be waiting. Welcome back, everyone, to Articskyfox's YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, we are unboxing something from mechanicalkeyboards.com. I'm gonna let you guys take a minute or two, take a guess in the comment section. What do you think I got in here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up right now. I don't have an unboxing knife. So we're going to go ahead and just use a kitchen knife, and we're just going to open this up. See what we got. See what's in this bad boy. And everything. Alright. Oh, ooh. What is that? It's shiny. Oh, it's actually shiny. My first presentations of this is got some shininess. You guys can't really tell the webcam that I'm using right now, but the pink over here is really shiny. We got our 3 mysterious keycaps right here. Let's go ahead and see what's in these right now. Cute little bag. Very easy to open. Go ahead and see what 3 mysterious keycaps we got. First one. What? It's just the delete key? Are you kidding me? It's just the delete key, and it's in black. Okay. I see what you did there, Ducky. Nothing. It's not cute. It's not the cute one. I thought there would be cute ones. Oh, yo, the next one is a 5. A black 5. Okay. Last but not least, we have a white F12 keycap. Here's the product that we've all been waiting for. This is shiny. You guys can't tell on the camera, but this pink Ducky One Mini, that is the keyboard I went with, is really shiny. The box is like just this section. right here is shiny. I like that it's shiny. I think the box is very unique. Okay, so this is the front end of the Ducky One Mini. The back side is shiny, so the front side is shiny too. Alright, I took everything out of the box, and this is what we have with the Ducky One Mini white version. As you can see, we got the keyboard, we got keycaps right here. We got a customized space bar, and I will say this space bar looks sick. I can't even tell what it is. It's like a little spray paint can. I don't know what that says. If you could tell me what that says, that'd be awesome. And it looks like a cool little, I don't even know what that is. A mouse? I don't know, but it's a sick design. And I don't even know what's underneath this, but there's just so much going on here, and it's like a rocket. I don't know, but this design is really thought out. Then we got our key cap puller from Ducky right here. And right here we have a whole bag of random blue keycaps. We got the arrows, the back key, the enter key, I'm not sure what this key is, the escape key, and there's 2 random keycaps. So we do have a lot of keycaps than those 3. We got our USB cord that came with the, and I think this is about 4.5 feet long. So this is the Ducky One Mini up close and everything, and just by looking at it, it looks really overwhelming with all the keys being different, and they're like the F2s being here. We got the mouse button here, we got the home button, page up, pause, print screen. It's gonna take some time getting used to this keyboard, I think. But overall, the finish looks amazing. On the back here, we do have some feet. This is the tallest you can make the keyboard, which is the highest point right here. And if I close it, then you have the lowest point. Then we have some other feet right here, level of the feet, where you can make the height adjustment if you wanted a little bit not too high. And then here we have, looks like on and off, no, on and ECE switches, 1 through 4 switches right here. Alright, so this is my first impression of everything from the Ducky One Mini white version. I will be testing it, using it, and then eventually give it a month. I will make another video, what my thoughts are, my review of the keyboard, and just everything overall. This is my first mechanical keyboard, so I'm really pleased with what I have gotten so far, and I hope you guys like this video. And let me know, do you choose the white version of the keyboard, or would you go with the black keyboard from Ducky One Mini? Let me know what you would have gone with, what keyboard and what keycaps and everything. I'm interested to hear your thoughts on this keyboard, and just looking for a general opinion. So feel free, drop a comment, drop a like on this video. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and punch that subscribe button to see more awesome content like this.